Hello and welcome to AllTricks. Few seconds back you have seen a device. Today we are going to unbox an UPS for router. Yes, the device was an UPS specifically made for routers. If you live in an area where power cut is frequent, this will help you to run your router a couple of hours. So I have started the unboxing, removing the gray plastic. Okay, here you can see the box has one more cover. It's a bubble wrap. I'll be removing this bubble wrap also. Here we go. You can see the branding of the router. It's Oakter. So Oakter is much clear, mini UPS 12 volt, and it still has a plastic cover. Well, we will remove that as well, but let's see the detail. It's a 12 volt router with an output of 24 watts or 24 VA. The battery capacity is 2000 mAh, so it's 12 volt 2000 mAh. Now let's remove the plastic cover quickly. I have removed the cover. Let's open the box. So here we have three items. We have a UPS obviously, then this warranty cum support guide and a small jack cable. So you can see the router is covered in lots of plastic. Let's remove that plastic. Finally, I got rid of the plastic. Now here we can see the same detail which I already told you. It's a 12 volt DC 2000 mAh UPS. Now from the right, first is 3.5 mm DC barrel jack, then switch, then output of the UPS. So we will put the power supply on the extreme most DC female jack, and output will be from this wire coming out of the UPS. So sometimes you might not have 3.5 mm jack. You can use the small cable which is provided, which is a 2.5 mm to 3.5 mm converter. Now let me show you the pricing. I got this for $749 from Crate. It's available on Amazon for $11.99, around $1200. I'll be providing those links in the description if you want to buy in case. Now let me show you my setup. Here we have our UPS. Towards the extreme left, you can see UPS power supply input is provided from the router's adapter. And let me show you that. I have switched off power supply, and see here our router is still working. Here you can see the output is connected to our router. And let me switch on it again. Let me talk about backup of the UPS. I have tested this UPS with my Excitel 4 cum router. It lasts for around 3 hours. If it's a normal router, it can last up to 5 hours. Well, that's about this device. Hope you like our video. Subscribe to our channel and share our video with friends and family. Thank you.